Welcome to another video of Partita Productions. Today I'm just going to show you how to start a account with Flipgrid. So hopefully this is helpful. Obviously you would go to flipgrid.com and you want to, I don't have an account. You want to sign up. Okay. When you sign up, you can go ahead and sign up with your Google account. So your Clovis USD dot k12.ca.us. Okay, and then when you're done with that, um, you could go ahead and log in. As you see here, I'm going to use this. Okay, and as you can see, I'm already here. When it comes to Flipgrid, you're creating basically what are called grids. It's kind of like you're creating a class. So, for example, here's one that I created for AELA summer school. Here's one that I created for my third grade class. Each grid has a code that you could use. Later on, when you make a grid, you could customize this like I did, or they'll give you a generated one. On top of in each grid, you'll notice that there are topics. For example, here's one where they have to do a basic listening comprehension. This one was one that I did with my class already. Okay, so you would create a topic. There's some, for example, let's go ahead and do one right now. I'll create a new topic. Okay, um, here you can put the title, the description, or directions on what to do. Um, you could add an introduction or upload a video for an introduction or add an emoji. Um, uh, Recording time could be up to 10 minutes, 15 seconds. I kind of leave it up to a minute and a half. You could always change that as optional. If there's more options as well. Um, if you want to put tips, any attachments you want to put on. Um, Obviously, I just kind of leave this active um, for them to complete the assignment. And then if you want to put a due date and when it will be available. Um, if you're like, you know what, I kind of have no idea what to do, the Disco library are pre-made topics already that you can use from home. So let's see here. Oh, here's our vocabulary. And you can use this one. And maybe when it comes to our AEL, let's do internet safety. That would be a good one. You would select your grid, which is kind of like your class, and then in this case, I wanted to do third grade. I'll use this one for today, and then just go ahead and click add, and then you could customize it if you want. Okay, um, make it active. It's all good. Just kind of leave that all on. And yes, you want some basic feedback, ideas, some performances, and update topic. So then when you go to back to your Flipgrid, you'll notice that the topic is right here. Okay. So then how do I share this? Well, if you click share, you have a couple options. Here's the code. Okay. You could copy this or you could go ahead and paste it on your Google Classroom, which I'm going to go ahead and do. And in my case, I'll paste it to my third grade class. We'll do that today. I'm going to make it as an assignment. Yeah, because I want them to see it on the stream. Click go, and then I'll just type Flipgrid internet safety and then post. And then it says view. And here it is at the top, right there. Okay. And that's pretty much it. You could have multiple grids like I have and share those as well through Google Classroom. And hopefully this is helpful.